Winning financially isn't just about making more money, it's about playing the game strategically, making smart moves consistently, and adopting a mindset that ensures long-term success. Some people assume financial success is about luck, being born into wealth, or having a high-paying job. But the truth is, most self-made millionaires follow specific principles that help them build and sustain their wealth. If you want to win financially, you need to understand what truly matters and how to apply it in your own life. Let's break it down. First, you need to master the game of cash flow. Your income is important, but what matters even more is how much money stays in your pocket. If you earn 6 figures but spend it all, you're no better off than someone earning half that amount. The key to financial success is creating a system where your money works for you. Track your income, control your expenses, and always ensure that more money is coming in than going out. The gap between what you earn and what you spend is where financial freedom is built. Next, winning financially requires a long-term mindset. The wealthy don't think in days or months, they think in decades. They know that real wealth isn't built overnight, it's the result of consistent, smart decisions compounded over time. This is why patience is critical. If you expect to get rich quick, you'll likely fall into scams, take unnecessary risks, or make impulsive financial choices. Instead, focus on building assets, investing wisely, and making moves that will benefit your future self. Another key to financial success is understanding leverage. The rich don't rely solely on their own time and effort to build wealth. They use other people's money, skills, and resources to accelerate their progress. This could mean using good debt to buy real estate, hiring experts to scale a business, or investing in companies rather than trying to build everything from scratch. Leverage allows you to multiply your results without multiplying your effort. One of the biggest secrets to financial success is owning assets instead of just earning income. If all your money comes from a paycheck, you're financially vulnerable. To win, you need to invest in assets that grow over time, stocks, real estate, businesses, or intellectual property. The goal is to create sources of income that continue to pay you even when you're not actively working. This is how wealth becomes sustainable. Another crucial factor is avoiding financial traps. Many people stay broke because they fall into traps like credit card debt, lifestyle inflation, or bad investments. Just because you can afford something doesn't mean you should buy it. The rich focus on increasing their assets, while the poor and middle class focus on increasing their liabilities. Every financial decision should be made with your long-term goals in mind. Winning financially also means knowing how to increase your earning potential. Cutting back on expenses can help, but there's only so much you can save. Your ability to earn more money is unlimited. The key is to develop valuable skills, build multiple streams of income, and position yourself for higher-paying opportunities. The more valuable you become in the marketplace, the more money you can command. Another aspect that many people overlook is the power of relationships. Financial success isn't just about what you know, it's also about who you know. The right connections can open doors, provide investment opportunities, and offer guidance that can save you years of trial and error. Surround yourself with people who are financially successful, and you'll naturally adopt their habits and mindset. Discipline is also a major factor. You have to be willing to delay gratification and make sacrifices in the short term to reap massive rewards in the long run. The people who win financially are those who can resist unnecessary spending, stick to their investment plans, and stay focused even when they don't see immediate results. The difference between those who build wealth and those who don't often comes down to consistency. Winning financially requires learning how to take calculated risks. The most successful people understand that avoiding risk entirely is actually the biggest risk of all. Inflation erodes savings, jobs aren't guaranteed, and the cost of living keeps rising. If you're too afraid to invest or take action, you'll always be stuck in survival mode. The key is to educate yourself, assess risks wisely, and take action where the potential upside outweighs the downside. One of the biggest mental shifts you need to make is understanding that money is a tool, not a goal. The purpose of money isn't just to accumulate it, it's to use it to create freedom, security, and opportunities. When you start seeing money as a means to achieve your ideal life rather than just something to hoard, you make better financial decisions. One of the biggest secrets to winning financially is treating money like a game. The people who succeed financially don't just work for money, they play to win. They learn the rules, understand the loopholes, and position themselves strategically. They know that taxes, inflation, and investment growth all play a role in the financial system, so they study how to optimize every dollar. The more you treat wealth building as a skill to be mastered rather than something that happens to you, the more control you have over your financial future. Another crucial element is building multiple streams of income. The average millionaire has at least 7 different income streams. Why? Because relying on a single source of income, like a job, puts you at risk. If that job disappears, so does your entire financial stability. To win financially, you need to diversify. Start with your main source of income, then look for ways to add more: side hustles, rental properties, dividends, digital products, or freelance work. Each new stream adds another layer of financial security. One of the most underrated wealth-building moves is mastering high-income skills. If you want to earn more money, you need to become more valuable in the marketplace. The fastest way to do this is to develop skills that are in high demand and hard to replace. Think about skills like sales, copywriting, coding, data analytics, and investing. These skills allow you to increase your income potential and create wealth faster than simply trying to save more money from a low-paying job. Another key to financial success is controlling your emotional relationship with money. Many people make financial decisions based on fear, greed, or impulsiveness. They panic when the stock market drops, overspend when they're stressed, or chase get-rich-quick schemes when they feel desperate. To truly win financially, you need emotional discipline. Learn to separate your feelings from your financial decisions and operate based on logic, long-term thinking, and solid strategies. Understanding the tax game is another major factor. The wealthy don't just earn money, they protect it. Taxes are one of the biggest expenses you'll ever face, so the more you know about legal ways to minimize them, the more money you keep. That's why rich people invest in assets like real estate and businesses, which offer tax advantages, while most middle-class people simply work jobs and get heavily taxed on their income. Learn about deductions, business structures, and investment strategies that can lower your tax burden and maximize your wealth. Winning financially also means knowing how to negotiate. Most people accept the first salary offer, the first price on a house, or the first deal presented to them. But the wealthy understand that everything is negotiable. If you learn how to negotiate effectively, whether it's for a raise, a business deal, or an investment, you instantly increase your financial advantage. Negotiation is a skill that can add thousands or even millions to your wealth over time. One of the most overlooked factors in financial success is environment. The people you surround yourself with will either push you toward wealth or keep you broke. If your friends spend recklessly, complain about money, and have no ambition, chances are you'll adopt the same habits. But if you surround yourself with financially successful, driven, and strategic thinkers, you'll naturally absorb their mindset and habits. Your financial circle matters more than you think. Think about how to pass down wealth and knowledge that will outlive you. Finally, the biggest key to winning financially is taking action every single day. Most people never build wealth because they keep waiting for the perfect moment, the perfect economy, or the perfect opportunity. The truth is, the best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is today. Make moves, take risks, learn from mistakes, and keep pushing forward. The people who win financially aren't the ones who know the most, they're the ones who execute the most. If you truly want to change your financial future, commit to doing something different starting today. Study wealth, take action, build assets, control your spending, and create a strategy that puts you ahead. Winning financially isn't reserved for a select few. It's available to anyone willing to play the game the right way. The question is, are you ready to play to win?